Hello everyone. Today let us see the last law of chemical combinations, namely the Avogadro's law, a law which was very important in the field of chemistry and it revolutionized, gave the mole concept, and so many important things are based on this law. So before going to that, you would have heard in your ninth standard about Avogadro number, but not sure because nowadays portions have been deleted. But you have to know have a knowledge about Avogadro number. Avogadro number is nothing else but 6.023 or 22 sometimes to 10 power 23. So what is this number? You have it in your mind. In the end of this video, I'll be telling you what is the significance of this number. So at the time when this person, Lorenzo Romano, a big name, okay, Amedeo Carlo Avogadro, such a big name, I don't want to go with the name, but it's as short as we can have Avogadro. When this person, the scientist, gave this law, atomicity was not known to people. What is atomicity? The number of atoms that make one molecule. But however, they knew that gases combine in volumes and they know that gases can combine to form new substances and they react in simple volumes was already known to little extent. So now what does this man Avogadro propose or what did he state? He told that any gas, if you take equal volume of any gas or all gas at a given temperature or at the same temperature and pressure will contain or should contain equal number of molecule. Any gas, if I say for example I have 5 boxes, in one box nitrogen, one box oxygen, one box hydrogen, one box water vapor and one box say helium, and I have all of them of equal volumes and I'm maintaining all of them at a given room temperature, then I can definitely say that they all will contain the same number of molecules. And if I'm taking one mole concept, I will give a separate video for that, then all of them will contain this many molecules or atoms or ions. If I am taking hydrogen gas H2, then it will be molecule. If I am taking say a gas which is ionized, say a gas which is highly ionized gas, for example chloride ion Cl minus, then it will have 6.023 10 power 23 number of ions. If I take atoms, say atomic oxygenation toxin, then it will contain that one mole will contain 6.023 into 10 power 23 number of atoms. So this very important law given by Avogadro plays a very important role in later chemistry. You will be learning about that, the calculations. So this number 6.023 10 power 23 was later on called as Avogadro number. So to explain this, there is a small figure in your textbook, page number 16. Sorry, here. So if you see in this page, this is just formation of water. So how is water formed? Hydrogen plus oxygen once again. So if I have to write, forget about the balancing, 2 atoms of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen give me 1 molecule of water. This is the basic concept. So here it is taken as one volume, that is one hydrogen, one volume. Say there it is at those time atomicity was not known. This is only a representation, pictorial representation to show. Okay, so if I am taking 2 volume H2 plus O2, then I will get 2 H2O2. So here, so let me make it more clear. A balanced chemical equation. So I written in a different form. So H2O2. So this is one volume of hydrogen. If we note down the boxes, there are 5 molecules inside. Another volume. So this is taken as one volume, this is taken as one volume, and this is one volume of oxygen. If you say all this, I am taking one and I am assuming to understand the concept, then one volume is having 5 molecules. Here also 5 molecules, here also 5 molecules. So 5, 5, 5. Totally, in the result, I should be getting 10 molecules of water. If you observe the picture, you will see that there will be 10 molecules of water which is actually present in 2 volumes of water. So this is a pictorial representation of Avogadro's law that equal volume of all gases, one volume contains same number of molecule. Now this is two volume. If one volume is having 5, then two volume must be having 10, and that is shown here. Later on, this very important proposal was given a very important place in chemistry, where when it came to mole concept, lot of calculations, lot of predictions, lot of helpful for reactions to predict the yield, how much I will get the substance, etc. So this Avogadro law and Avogadro number, equal volume of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, contain equal number of molecules or equal number of atoms or equal number of ions. So this is your last law of chemical combination, namely your Avogadro's law. The next we'll be seeing about Dalton's atomic theory. You learned in your 9th standard already. In the next video, I'll be posting some of the most important concept of Dalton's atomic theory. Happy learning, stay tuned, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.